Hello everyone, welcome to API testing and API test automation course using Postman, Newman, Chai.js and JavaScript. So in this course, so if you're a beginner or if you don't have any knowledge of APIs, you want to do API testing, you want to learn API automation, you want to do API automation testing, all that you can cover it through this. You want to run your suite on Jenkins, you want to get the suite results on Jenkins in HTML format or in email. All that is covered in this course. So before you take this course, I want to give you some brief about each section. So in basics of API testing, we'll get to know what is API, why we are doing API testing, why API testing is important compared to UI testing, and what kind of bugs we can find out in API testing. Then we'll be using Postman features to test our APIs functionally. So we'll be using all the functional testing of APIs using Postman. We'll be learning how to capture API requests from Chrome DevTools and then using extracting those Chrome requests in Postman, how to use proxy proxy in Postman to automatically capture all those requests and test it, how to run the API test in single click, how to test data driven testing using Postman. So for that we will be using a CSV file with lot of data, and then we will be testing a lot of inputs against a particular API. Then how can we work as a team in Postman using team workspace and merger controlling? After that, we will learn, because Postman uses JavaScript, so it's important to learn the basics of JavaScript and Chai.js. So we'll be learning those in this section. And once we are done, with the Postman features and programming basics, we'll start the API automation. So in API automation, we'll get to know about test scripts, PM object, pre-scripts, collection level script, test scripts through generating data, schema validation, and all that what we do during our functional test verification. We will do that from in the API test automation section. We will also learn how to extract data from various sources. It could be an XML source, it could be an HTML source, it could be an SQL database source apart from JSON source. Once this is done, once we know how to automate APIs, we'll be working on a live project where first of all we will gather the project requirement. Then we will be working on project or test case automation using Postman, Newman, JavaScript, and JavaScript. And this is divided in two parts. Once that is done, we will be learning about running them through. So right now, till now, we have all done all this in the local environment. Now we will be learning how can we integrate our Newman suite or Postman suite, test automation suite in Jenkins, and then how can we run the Newman suite or the Postman suite from Jenkins commands, how to set up Jenkins, how to add reporters through Newman in Jenkins, how to publish report in HTML, XML, JSON, all that format, and how to get reports in your email address directly. So I think once you have finished this course, which is an 8 hours course, you will be able to know most of the things about APIs. You will be able to do automation of APIs test cases. You will be able to write code in JavaScript and Chai.js, and will also able to set up and run your test cases automation suite from Jenkins itself. I hope you like this course.